Now this is how to change YouTube channel banner from the PC and from smartphone. So first we will dive into the PC way. So simply get into the studio.youtube.com. Here in this section there is a option to customization. Simply tap on customization, and here in this option you will find multiple things. So simply get into the branding option. Now here, as you can see, there is a banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. So simply, if you haven't set anything, so there is an option to add. But if you have done it, so simply there is an option to remove and to change. And to change it, simply tap on change and locate the downloaded file. Let's suppose I'm doing this. Tap on this. This is the YouTube banner. Like, done. And yeah, you have done. Now one of the most important thing is to publish the changes. Tap on publish and you have successfully published the changes, which is the this new YouTube banner. I hope you found the information helpful. So as you can see, changes published. Now let me show you how you can do the same thing from YouTube application. Exactly how to change YouTube channel banner from the YouTube app itself. Simply get tap on your profile from this option. Here tap on view channel. Now in this section there is a edit button for this. So there is a edit button. So as you can see, this is my current YouTube channel banner. So there is a camera icon here. As you can see, this is a camera icon here. So simply tap on this camera icon and choose image either from your photos or just take a photo. So let me just take a photo right now. Suppose this is my keyboard and let's click. Suppose I'm going to set this as my YouTube channel banner, like, but this is not a perfect size image. So let's choose from the gallery. So this is the image we are choosing. Let's just resize the image. Like, this is the thing. Tap on save, and this is how you can change YouTube channel banner. It would appear in the few minutes. You just don't need to worry about it, and this is how you can do it. Now channel banner updated successfully. Wait for a few seconds and it will start appearing. This is how you can change YouTube channel banner on laptop, PC or Android.